But aren't you concerned about that?
No.
She dreamed of being the school shooter.
It was just a dream. It was just a dream.
Okay.
Right?
All right, let's keep our dreams and our comments to ourselves, okay?
Oh, let's record on Twitch.
Have a dream.
All right, people. Quiet down.
He's getting his thing taken down.
But you guys remember, it was just a dream.
No, but like for real, quiet down.
Wow. Yeah, quiet.
Okay, focus on this. All right? All right. So, you have absolute value, yes? In the past, when we have absolute value and it was like equal a positive number, what else did we have? We had like two different answers, right? Okay? So if I have positive 2 here, what else do you think will be in play? -2. Okay? So I'll tell you right now, when the inequality is less than, it will be an and problem. Okay? So whenever you have absolute value, inequality, right? And it is less than, it will be and. For sure. Okay? And when you do have and, we could write it all in one, right? Probably we should. Okay? So if I had +2 over here, what should be on the left side? -2. And then in the middle is the same, x plus 7. Is that okay? And then you go and solve this just like any other and inequality. Okay? But you did a good guess.
This is gonna be on the test.
Yes.
No.
It's gonna be on the test.
This will be on the test because on the benchmark you have 3 of them.
Nah, bro, I'm not pulling up on Monday. I have to do mine on Monday too.
Huh? Yeah, we'll have review. Alright, how do you solve for x? -7 to everything.
I'll be able to do it.
Alright, -7 everywhere. You get -9 less than x less than what? What's that? 2 minus 7. -5. Okay, when you graph it, I got 0. Quiet down. Okay, I got -5 for like right here and -9. Are they both closed? And then where am I shading? In the middle, right? Or sure, you can call it together. Okay, if you do this, that's fine too. Okay, so this first example, not too crazy, yeah? You just asked me, what do you do if it's greater than? It is 2. Okay? Okay. Can I go on to the next one? Yeah? You guys over there? Jaden, you guys okay with this? Okay. Trace, you guys okay with this? Okay. All right, next one. I'm going to change this number to 16. Okay. Are you guys ready? I'm trying to go a little faster than normal. I can't go too slow. Okay?
You have time limit?
No, we have like 6 problems to talk about. Okay? All right, what kind of inequality is this going to be? And. So go ahead, circle it, just write and. But then do you see an issue? What's the issue? It's a 0. Is there such thing as a negative 0? No. So you would just put 0 and see if this works. Do I have enough space? Oops. Okay. Listen carefully, yeah? Listen carefully. You guys look up there? What I have? Okay, does that statement right there, does that make sense?
No.
You're in between what number? Are you able to be in between a single number?
Yes.
No, right? What's in between 0 and 0?
Zero.
Nothing. Does not exist. There's nothing there. Okay? Okay, so let's try solving it. See if that helps us. So how would you solve this? Add the 16.
Which is 6.
Okay, does that help us?
Yes.
No. Okay, solve for x. What do? Divide everything by 8. Okay, let's see if that makes anything look better. 2 less than x less than 2. Does that help?
Yes.
No, it says x, which is the number, right, is in between 2 and 2. So again, can you be in between a number? So what would you say here? No. Solution.
Child, I have a question.
Yeah.
You know how there's supposedly a half?
Some what?
You know how there's like 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5,
Yeah.
3. Like if you're on the negatives and it's like negative 1, is it negative 1.50?
Hold up. Hold up. 0?
1.51?
What did you say? Negative?
Shut up.
Negative what?
Like negative 1.
Negative 1.
Like what's in the middle between negative 1 and 0? Like is it
Negative 1.5.
Right here?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Um,
Negative 1.5.
yeah, there's like negative 0.5.
0.5.
And then
Negative 1.5 is like right here.
oh,
There's negative 2.
so that's technically half of 0.
Yeah.
Half of 0 means 0 divided by 2, which is 0.
Is that possible? So half of 0 is 0.
Yeah.
What the hell? Alright,
How is half of 0 0?
Alright, thank you.
Because 0 is, yeah.
No, because like, I was low-key working and I was all like, is there half of 0 or am I?
Hey, I'm just letting you know.
Is it?
She's probably not the only person who's thinking about that. Okay? I'm just,
If
you
there's
know.
half of 0.
yeah.
Half of 0? Me too. Nothing.
Because, like, what if you're, like, right here, right? Like, what if you're, like, really close, right?
Yeah.
But then that's just, like, negative 0.0000 whatever.
Which is not half a 0.
Wait.
That's a really small number.
Is that even a number?
So
It is a number.
half of 0,
No.
half of 0, half.
No, because 0 is 0.
So that's a part of 0.
No, it's not.
Then where did it come from?
It's really small.
It's really, really small.
Yeah, like, really, really small. Okay? Okay, next one.
Thank you.
Oh, what about this?
My bad.
The singular case.
All right, here's a special one. Let's see if you guys can do this one. Yeah. So what do you think happens here? Well, first of all, what kind of inequality is this? And
Is it on the end? Or are there different ones?
there is a different one. Yeah. Where? Six. Oh, that's a star.
Oh, my bad.
It's a question star.
I can't even draw a star.
It's a bonus question. All right, so for this one, people, let's see if it makes sense. If you set it up, what should be on the left? Okay, do you already see an issue here? What is the issue?
That negative 6 is supposed to be on the other side.
That's great. Do you guys hear Rex? How is positive 6 less than negative 6? Does that make any sense? No, it does not.
Think about it.
Okay, so if this already does not make sense, does solving it, you think solving is going to help you? No, but let's try it anyways. Okay, so you have this. Yeah. All right, so you have this inequality. Whatever number is in the middle, it has to be less than negative 10, but bigger than 2. Is there anything? No. So what do you say here? Okay? Focus.
I know no solution.
So for right now, like if I tell you guys, what?
I already added it.
What number is that?
3.
Okay.
Or number 3.
Yep. Well, this is my real number 3. So should it be 4?
So that means
It's okay. Change it.
Didn't you say
Leave it at. I did.
like a special one?
Yeah, but
I put a little star on it.
okay. Some people listen.
Does that kind of speak?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you guys remember this? This is less than, right? And if I had less than is and, what do you think greater than is? Or. Great. Okay, so this one is very close to what you have been doing for absolute values. All right, remember when we did equations? You had 2 different problems. You'll have it here again. Okay. Now let me tell you guys this. Because some people did this on the test, right? You guys paying attention? If I see you do this one more time, with the absolute value bars still up, I'll find you.
he knows everybody's house address. He can leave a look
You know everybody's house address?
I know where you live, supposedly, based on whatever.
on Aries.
I know where you live based on whatever you provided, and I also know your 6 periods.
He knows her.
Uh-oh.
Okay?
He knows her.
So if I must repeat myself, if I see you guys do this again with the absolute values up, better watch out. Don't do this. Okay? Because if you do it, then that means you're just not listening, or you're trolling, or you're just throwing on purpose. I don't know what you want. Okay? Okay, the first one. The first one always looks the same, right? Okay, let's see if you guys got the concept. What does the second one look like?
C minus 1.
C minus 1, negative 5.
Wait, isn't it opposite of fraction?
Huh?
Because they're turning
Fraction.
I mean, not fraction, but the sign.
Which way is it pointing?
This way.
Good.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so can you explain that one more time, Chris?
It's because like the negative or the positive thing switch into negative.
Yes. So you guys notice that? This one right here is positive 5, right? Okay. But since it's absolute value and it requires you to have a negative 5, technically you multiply that 5 by negative 1, right? Don't you remember when we multiply by negative or divide by negative inequality, they have to flip? So don't forget about the flip. Okay? People forget about this all the time. Alright. And then you just go and solve it as normal, okay? Alright, add 1.
Because because this is an or.
Okay, write the word or.
Greater than, it's an or.
Plus 1. Less than negative 4.
Because we have to put like 2.
Why are you reading like that, bro? Bro, who's crying?
Okay, graph it. 0. Negative 4. 6. You gonna help me out?
You put the closed
4.
4 and 6.
Okay, and then? Where? For the 6?
You put them together, right? Bro, so actually 6. Put them together.
For the 6, which way? Right or left?
For 6, right.
Right. For the negative 4?
Left.
Good.
What's the difference between cerebral and solid? What's the difference between cerebral and solid? Cerebral is a cheese and solid is a candy.
Means candy.
Can't.
Better watch out, Trace. Yeah.
Yeah, let me difference.
Restroom? Can you wait until after this next one? Yeah? I'll try to make it quick. Alright, there you go. We'll go.
That's on 5.
Huh? Oh,
4 is the other number.
5. Okay, what kind is this? Or. But it's negative, right?
So you can't do anything about it.
Well, let's just see.
Positive, right?
Let's see. You have one of them. That'll just be whatever you see right now. And then if you have your part B, what should it look like?
It should be the same sign. No, it's the opposite.
Opposite. So it'll be a positive 2 and then?
And then like 3 plus sign.
Yes. It's flipped. Okay? So first off, you saw that you started off with a negative, right? So that means something is up. Okay? Okay. Solve it. Subtract 10. And then you have negative m is greater than or equal to negative 12. Alright, so at this point, I see some people stop.
How is the m negative?
You can't leave m as negative. So you have to do what?
Both sides.
Yep, but you're dividing by negative 1, right? Okay, so you flip. So m less than or equal to positive 12. So that's one of them. Okay, for part B, same steps. Minus 10, minus 10. Negative m less than equal to negative 8. And then what? Divide it again by negative 1. which causes it to flip. Okay, let's take a look at how this graph looks like now. Okay, I got 0 right there, 8's right here, and 12 is over here. Okay, this one I'll be very careful with. Okay, so for the 12, open or closed? Closed, and which direction?
No, left.
Left. For the 8, open or closed? Closed. Which direction?
Right.
Do you see something weird here?
They cross.
They cross, and that means they cover everything, right? So what is your solution here?
Is there literally infinite solutions?
Yes.
So you could solve this for the rest of your life, no like
Yep.
every single difference.
Yep. I want to say most of the time, but I would want you to just check it. As in checking it, as in like trying to do the work. Okay? Ethan. You need to go?
You play Roblox?
No.
It's so random. What the?
No, like I'm
Any questions?
serious. Like I was thinking about the
Yeah.
about this game.
Go up.
And I was all
Like that?
you know, just years.
Yeah.
Bro, I thought Haiti Hebrew was gonna be celebrity. Like I didn't think that Haiti Hebrew was just a Hebrew wife. I was like,
It's just something you don't
Like,
in your mind.
no, like I didn't even know that Justin Bieber had a wife.
It's just random.
No, because I was actually
Don't
wondering.
pay attention.
No, because like earlier one of my friends was singing that song that's like that. And then I
All right. Last one. Oh.
Number 5.
Wait, do you
Oh, wait,
distribute?
that's number 6.
Do we distribute for absolute value? No. Gotta subtract 1 first. And then you divide.
You see through.
Yeah, you could see.
Okay, what kind of problem is this? Or. Great. Okay, and then you just finish up.
Oh, what am I supposed to do? No, I didn't. But yeah, sit over here. Have it for.
Okay, there's those two. So again, your absolute value, you must get it to be by itself first. And then you can go and do all the same stuff, okay? Okay. At the 5, 2x greater than 10. And then divide by 2. And you're just back at 5. Okay.
Really no point.
Or, no, there's a point because you get rid of the 2. Do the same steps. Add 5. But then this time, that's a 0, right? So 2x less than 0. And then we divide 0 by 2, which is just 0. Because of what we just talked about earlier, right? Half of 0 is 0. And then you graph. Okay, this one is probably going to be normal. But we just got to check it, okay? For the 5, open or close?
Open.
And then which way? Right? And then for the 0? Left and open, right?
Yeah.
My grandma's in her 90s.
Okay, so this one's a normal one. All right?
She ain't gonna die.
What does that mean?
Why would you say?
No, I said she ain't.
Yeah.
Can I use
Yes.
the restroom? This child, can I use the restroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
The other guy came back.
Can I
Okay.
go?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
I have a note for you guys. Right here.
Bro.
Yeah. But I think we also saw this, right? Yeah. Let's just say could. Okay. So not all the time. I still want you guys to check. Okay, because I think for the end we saw no solution as well, right? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, this would probably be a good one to be on a cheat sheet if I gave you one. Which I will. This is probably going to help, I think. I hope. More? Not this time. There's 2 extra credit questions on the test. Yeah. Oh. Are you guys done with this?
I said it's Saturday though.
Huh? I might go to this one. Because this is at my old school.
This STEM day? I already did.
No, it's on Saturday. Oh, you already signed up for it?
Yeah.
Oh, then. It's just a reminder.
It's on a Saturday. It's like 9. Is it in like 9 to 1?
Something like that.
Right now.
Yeah. Just go. It's right there in the folder. What? Homecoming's on Saturday? Oh, I don't know. Yep.
I'm not sure though. Can I give water?
Sure.
Wait, no one's missing?
Nope.
Are you leaving?
Nope.
Did you sign up?